So the Amber comes in 2 sizes. So if you are unsure about wanting a big bag, you maybe only have 1 child, you're coming out of the other side of having kids, you don't need to carry so much, or maybe you just want an everyday bag that you can use just for daily trips out on your own, then maybe the Amber Midi is a better option than the bigger Amber. A lot of people tend to go from the big Amber to the Midi, or vice versa, depending on how their needs change, because they just love the fact they have all the same functionality and versatility and pockets and layout. Everything is exactly the same from one bag to the other, so you don't have to get all into a mess with your head about not knowing where you put everything. You can just transverse between one and the other and still keep everything in the same place. So now we're going to go around and have a quick look at the Amber Midi. So it's exactly the same beautiful full grain pebble leather. We have it in lots of different colours on the website. I'm going to take you around this one today. It's very similar to the full size in terms of you have your organiser pocket at the front, you have the same 2-way zips on the side that mean it's very easy for you to open and close your side pockets. Sliding it around to the back, we have these lovely slide over straps, which mean if you're travelling, you can take this, slide your trolley handle through here, and it makes it perfect for a commute or an overnight stay. Side pocket here makes a great place to put an iPad or a Kindle. It's full length and it goes through the whole length of the bag, so you've got lots of room. And on the other side here, we've got the security pocket, and again, that's a great place to put your phone, passports, and your wallet if need be. Now then, if we spin the bag round, it's time to have a little dive inside. So depending on which bag you opt for, the front is slightly different on the Midi. Some of them have got the single pocket slip here that you can see with the pen holder and the elasticated pocket, and some of them will have the triple layer pocket. So do check the details on the site before you make your purchase. Okay, so jumping into the organiser pocket at the front. This is so handy, guys. If you are somebody that just needs to be able to grab and go, your bits and bobs need to be easy to grab. So that's the organiser pocket. You've got your 2-way zips on the side, which take you to your normal side pockets. They're both insulated. Great for putting a little water bottle in or a can of Coke. And then diving into the main part of the bag now. So you've got these lovely 2-way zips that are the same on all of our bags. Now inside, you have the zip top pouch, which is the beautiful zip top pouch that comes with every bag. The Midi ones have a Midi size one, and the big ones have a big size one. They are machine washable, they're waterproof, they're great for putting any toiletries, anything that you want to just keep separate from the rest of your bag, and it's a great way to protect your bag as well. You can buy those individually on our site as well if you want to have any spares. So tipping the bag forward now, you can see the layout is exactly the same on our Amber regular as it is on our Amber Midi. You've got these lovely pockets all the way around the outsides of the bag, so it means with the lining being bound, you can see inside beautifully, even when the bag is really full, because everything around the outside stays in its place. You've got this little slip pocket at the back, so that's a great place to put a notebook or an iPad. A zip pocket at the back here for your security pocket, again, a great place to put medication, sanitary needs, anything that you just want to keep a little bit more secret or private. And then you've got your little clip here again. So this is the Amber Midi, exactly the same as the Amber regular, just in a Midi size. It's 20% smaller than the regular size, and it is beautiful, and it's a little TARDIS, and it's absolutely fabulous as an everyday bag or for any of your mini adventures. So now I'm going to show you how we pack this up in different ways depending on the day that you're about to spend out. So now let's dive inside the beautiful Amber Midi, and I will show you how wonderfully it packs up for a day out just being you. Now in the inside of the bag today, I have packed a number of different electrical items, so you can see the sizes and scale, and that will really help you to decide whether the Amber Midi is perfect for you or whether you need to upscale and go for the Amber regular. So inside I have got today a full size umbrella. I have got my water bottle. Very important to keep you hydrated all the time. And as we tip the bag forward, you can see I've got one of the packing pouches in here today, which is just the makeup one. And I have got a spare cashmere jumper. So there's still plenty of room in the top of the bag, as you can see when it was packed. I haven't used the 2 side pockets and I haven't used the 2 front pockets. They were completely empty and there was plenty of room. If you wanted to add into those, you could do. At the back here, as you can see, I've packed in 3 different sizes of tech. So the first one is a Kindle. So you can see that the size of the Kindle fits in very, very easily. The second one I've got is an Amazon Fire. And then the third one I've got is an example of an iPad. It's the cover for an iPad, so you can see the size of that. So an iPad, an old iPad, the very first edition, will fit inside here perfectly as well. You have your security pockets, you have your little bit to hang your keys if you need to. And let's see on the front. So in the front section here, we've got the organizer pocket. So I'm just going to lean over so I can remind myself what's in here. So we have our poppy. We have poppies to go with every bag. Today I've opted for the lovely studded one and I've attached it using the little dog clip so that nobody can take it. These little pens are super cute. They're just on Amazon, but they fit in here really nicely. So any shorter style pen will fit into the pen holder perfectly. I've got my lip gloss and on my obligatory nail file and my hair bubble in the slip pocket. And then on the elasticated pocket, I've got a hand cream and I've just got a compact powder. So that's the front organizer pocket all sorted. Let's have a little look now on the side. So on the side of the bag, on this side today, I've just got extra toiletries. So they could all go on the inside of the bag if you wanted to have more space available. But in here, I've got a foundation, I've got some hand sanitizer, and I've got my perfume. Around the other side of the bag, I've just got a pair of sunglasses. You never know, the sun does come out in the UK every now and then. So I've got those really ready to just grab and go if I need them. I tend to find that if I need glasses, I need them quickly. At the back here, I've put my phone. Now, if you feel like you want to, you can put the phone on the front organizer pocket, but just for today, I've put the phone at the back. And then in the back here, you have another iPad cover, just to show you that an iPad with its case will slide in there really easily and just provides a nice little shelter for it. It's fully padded throughout the back of the bag, so it's really comfortable to carry it. And as mentioned before, you've got the lovely slide over straps, making it great to travel with. So that is the beautiful, super versatile, very, very gorgeous Amber Midi.